Hey guys, this is Megan with Thousand Generation Farms. Since we usually do a video on Sunday, and Sunday is Christmas this year, I wanted to kind of show you just a few of the things we do on for the Christmas season as a family. There will be a little bit of farming, livestock involved, but otherwise they're just some different things that we do, new things, traditions, all of the above. So won't you come farming with us, and Merry Christmas.